This is EC3 Laundry Additive from Microbalance Health Products. This stuff is amazing. You're going to want to have it on hand. So I first discovered this laundry additive when my family and I went through mold toxicity the very first time. And this had saved us hundreds, if not thousands of dollars in being able to save our clothing items. I use this laundry additive for sheets, towels, blankets, clothes, hats, even stuffed animals. What it does is it has these citrus extracts in it that will rinse away mold spores from most fabrics. And one of my favorite things that I was able to use this laundry additive on and save it was a blanket that my grandmother had handmade. She's no longer with us, so that blanket's really sentimental. But being able to have this product that I could use on that blanket so that I could keep it and then pass it on to my daughter, years down the road, was just such a gift. So this product is something that we don't just keep on hand for emergencies anymore. We use this with every single load of laundry. You just never know. You never know what can be accumulating on your clothes when you go out into public, whatever the case may be. But also when you purchase new clothes, you don't know where those clothes are coming from. You don't know the environment that they're in. So being able to use the EC3 laundry additive on those new clothing purchases, it is just such, a sigh of relief to be able to know that those clothing items are also going to be safe. This product, I'm telling you, is something that I am always going to keep on hand because of the way that it has helped my family. And I know it's going to continue to help my family.